I like my women like I like. You guys yell out something. Let's do it. I like my women like I like my
cheese.
Cheese. Fat free and single. From the government. What? I'm married. This is all BS. But I like my women like I like my
Tacos.
Tacos. Ooh, full of that chorizo. I like my women. Let me do that again. I like my women like I like my tacos given to me by a man in a truck late at night. I like my women like I like my
refrigerator.
Full of beer. Big and white and working. Pretty good, my friend.
Fuck yeah.
I like my women like I can do that again. I like my women like I like my refrigerator covered with magnets, left on the street but dangerous to children. You guys know about that? Like abandoned refrigerators? Okay, never mind. They're dangerous. You're not supposed to, because kids climb in there and they, all right. Last three that we gotta go. I like my women like I like my
Pie.
Pie.
Cream filled.
You got it. Cream filled.
Oh my god.
And a little bit crusty. Very culture, parties, culture. I like my women like I like my men. Wow. Welcome back to. I never know what to say to that. I've heard that before. But it's a new world we're in. I like my women like I like my
Cars.
my what?
Cars.
Cars. I like my women like I like my cars.
Low
Used and jacked up. I like full of gas. That's a little bit weird. Thank you. That's good. That's good when someone says, "Oh my god." Oh my god. That's good. That's good. Should we do one more? Yeah, one that you're dying to yell out.
Yeah.
I like my women like I like my
Couch.
couch.
in the house.
In the house. This is great. We got a great audience. They do both. They do everything for us. They do the setup, the punchline. I know. I like my women like I like my couch. I'll use it next time someone says couch. I'll be like, in the house. I don't know how I think of this. That's good, because when you first said couch, I was going to be like, I like my women like I like my couch with some big pillows. And when I dig around long enough, I find money. You guys ever find money when you dig around? You guys got quiet like, that's sad, Darren. We don't have any money in our couches. It's so old school. We have bitcoins and NFTs. More flashlight? I like my women like I like my flashlight turned on in the dark. You guys are beautiful, man.
Thank you for watching. Now please subscribe and ring that notification bell.